So we invested in PIM mainly because for many years we've had product databases in spreadsheets or various different things or assets. So we've got multiple businesses and assets are on someone's computer or they're in a OneDrive or whatever. So we wanted to have a digital database that housed everything. So if someone required the relevant information, they could amend data, they could add data, they could create whatever they wanted in one system. And then from there, it would create a uniform sort of formatted data that would then push to whether it was print channel or website or Google or whatever it is. We chose Akeneo mainly because of the API connection with Magento, but also having done all of our research, we saw that there was a major IT support that came with it. There was add-ons, modules, and having done it for the last 11 months, 100% the best decision we made. I think the benefits we've seen are through sort of data cleansing, granularity of data, business efficiency and time saving. So starting with sort of data cleansing, we had data from our ERP system going into Magento or wherever it was going, and we had sizes and colours all spelled in different sort of ways. So we'd have a size that was small, but it would be spelled S or SM or small, or a colour that was bottle green, GRN or bot green or whatever it is. So that's allowed us to now cleanse the data. And what we've done is through the API connection with our ERP system, AX to Akeneo, we now, if someone's creating a product within AX, they'll go through the process, plug in the unique identifier or the SKU, they'll associate the product with a family within Akeneo, and then from there, they will literally, through the get coming back from Akeneo, they will only have an itemized list of whatever the sizes and whatever the colors are, and that eliminates all of the human error, because at the moment, people are able just to plug in whatever they want, which over time and over 10, 15, 20 years, people are gonna plug in whatever it is. And we've seen spelling issues or medium spells, med-um, whereas now they literally have a list of, right, you can plug in that and you can plug in that. So for us, that's a game changer. Granularity of data as well. So we would have, if we took one of our biggest selling products is gloves, if a glove's got 10 to 15 features, for every feature that was associated to that product, we would have 10, 12, 15 different phrases associated to that product. And that, again, the same as the AX issue, over a period of time, people plug in different phrases, or if someone wants to market it in a different way, they will put in a different phrase associated to that product just to give it a different spin. But what that's allowing us now is to have a competitive edge, because we've now reduced that down to having one phrase per feature within reason. And hopefully phase 2, phase 3 of Akeneo, we'll be able to be like, okay, right, so we're gonna have a comparison list within our website, so someone can go on and be like, okay, so I want to see the comparison between that product and that product. Okay, so it's got that feature, it doesn't have that, it does have that, okay, I'll go for that. So for us, having a competitive edge within the market is gonna be amazing. And then business efficiencies. The one thing that everyone within the business has struggled, and something that I alluded to earlier, is that we've had spreadsheets hosting all of our product data effectively, whereas now having that on a digital platform, people can go in and self-serve. So let's take the technical team as an example. They are getting bombarded daily, 10, 15 questions, or what's the product weight for this, or where's the data sheet for this? People will just go on and self-serve now and be like, okay, right, this is the product SKU or unique identifier. I'll go on, okay, the product weight is X, and then, okay, there's the data sheet, and that's sorted. And finally, time saving. The system that we have in place now, starting from AX, where a product's created, into Akeneo, and then into Magento, is going to be massive, because we go through the process of a product's created, SKU's added, then it's associated to a family, and then it's straight into Akeneo, and people will then just be able to, through their own user groups and permissions, they'll be able to enrich it as they go through the process, and then from there, it's straight onto the website. So massive time saving for us.